What's good, my people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. And you're right, I'm back with another video. If you do like my video, guys, feel free to subscribe and like if you want, obviously. If you don't, then it is what it is. Anyway, thank you for watching me, and let's get it right into the video. Let's get it. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is gonna be a pretty decent video. I'm gonna keep it short, simple, and straight to the point. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, comment down below, guys. So basically that's the trade for today so far. It's been a decent trade, very fast. It's been like a couple of minutes I took it, and it took 1 to 285. 1 to 2.8 RR. It's pretty decent trade. It's pretty very decent trade. What actually happened here, everybody knows. My name is Nick. I'm trading break and retest. Yeah, basically very simple concept, guys. I took the Asia high, Asia low. What happened here? It just fake above, came back into the zone. But this one I actually took on the 1 minute. Yeah. It's a very simple concept, guys. Break, come back, break, basically this Asia high zone, and plus this break of structure. Small break of structure, but it is what it is with this one. And I was basically thinking to come here, but this happened so fast, like went to the downside and come back into the zone, and then retest. On the retest I took a short. You're gonna ask me where I took my take profit to. Obviously the Asia low. Very simple concept, guys. Very simple concept. I don't really play around. Sorry about that. So yeah, guys, the Asia high and the lows of Asia is very important, guys. Everybody should know that. Above and below are money. So obviously the banks, what they're gonna do, they're gonna fight and they're gonna move the price this way. So they're gonna take the money from the upside move and from the downside. Obviously this is not 100%, so don't think this is a holy grail. This is not holy grail, this is just hard work. So yeah, it went even lower, but it is what it is, man. I'm not complaining about it, because today I had 2.8. yesterday same story. Yeah, it went on the London. Yeah, it came back to retest this zone. Yeah, because break, you see, break this low, then break this high. So I like this scenario. I just take on the retest and move up to those highs. It's pretty decent. It's pretty decent. Here same story. Break, retest, moved up, break the high. Very simple. So I had like what? Today, yesterday, Friday, and Thursday I had 2 losses, to be honest, because it was keep breaking the highs, coming back, and I was keep getting stopped out. Here same story. It was going down, almost hit my TP, but here was already in break even, so this was a break even trade. I had just 1 loss. Here same story. Yeah, from here break, came back to retest. What they're gonna retest? They're gonna retest this zone or this zone. But I was thinking like about this, because we had here touch, here touch, here touch, break and retest, move where? Here, right here. So it was a beautiful trade. In this scenario, same story. Yeah, I had a trade, break, I took on the retest, took me off, and then when it moved back up, I knew this was a fake out. I enter again right away. I didn't wait for nothing. When I was seeing this candle, beautiful, no wick at the bottom, I just enter a trade, stop below this, target the daily highs. Very simple, guys. Here unfortunately I had 2 losses. There's nothing to do about it, because this is not a holy grail. here same story, yeah. But here basically I took it on the Fibonacci, to be honest. It's just because it was going up, 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 and then slightly was coming back. So I was like, here is something like 75%. So sometime I taking those trades like coming here, taking, put my stop loss beneath, targeting the highs. So it's pretty decent. It's pretty decent trade. Here same story, guys. Same story again. Break this one. Came here, retest, moved up, moved down. Sorry, moved down to this low. Yeah. To be honest, right here I was already on break even, so it couldn't stop me out. Here, very beautiful. Stop me out with a huge candle, yeah. And then I was seeing like this candle. Usually when it does that with a huge candle, usually it reverses. So that's what I did. Literally on the next two candles I was down with the TP. Very decent. Here, same story. Break, retest, moved up. And that's on Euro USD. You see, guys, I'm not playing around. Here, same story. It was breaking. I was thinking here, because when I was seeing this price action, I was like, man, I think it's gonna retest from this zone, not from this. I actually did from this, but man, it is what it is. I had plenty of room, so I took it from this side. It's been a winner still. Here, same story, guys. Same story. Break, but this one was on the 1 minute, I think so, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm not gonna go with them right here because it was crazy. I think, yeah, most likely. When it's like huge wicks at the top and at the bottom, most likely I took it from the 1 minute usual. So yeah, guys, here same story. It was pulling back. Yeah, when I was seeing this crazy move, I was like, that's alright. Came back, break on the retest. I entered a trade, moved straight to the TP, took the highs, came here, picked me out. But obviously this trade was already over. Anyway, guys, where I was saying, guys, it just, man, you just have to master a trading strategy and just go with it. Don't worry about, this is a process. And for this trade, the screenshot should be somewhere here on the screen. I don't know where, but it should be there. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you do like this video, subscribe. Alright, guys, see you in the next video. I'm out.